All right, my loves. So today we are installing this foresee kinky wig. It is very much giving. Look at this hair. If this hair could be 700 density, it would be, because this is the thickest wig I have ever put on my freaking head. So let's get into this gorgeous install. This video is in collaboration with Beautyforever. They did go ahead and send me so many goodies like wig caps, lashes, wig bands, all of that good stuff. So this is the gorgeous wig. I did go ahead and pluck it off camera. Like I said, this is their kinky curly wig. And also the edges are foresee, but it's not like too much edges. This is just a perfect wig. So this is what the wig is looking like on my head. Very cute, fun, flirty. I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig with my Gots to Be glue. Wait, no, Ghost Bond. I get that messed up every time, and I've been using the same glue for years. But I'm gonna go ahead and take my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm gonna do 2 layers. Y'all, there was literally a lizard in my room. I had to call the maintenance man to come get it out my room because I could not. So I was literally putting the wig on standing up. The show must go on. Literally, he had to come in and get that thing out because if you could see the floor in my shop, it was so much stuff everywhere. Like, I literally dropped everything because I freaked out. But anyways, we're back in business. He got the lizard out, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace with an eyebrow razor. The eyebrow razor hack is literally godly. Like, I just love it so freaking much, guys. It just gives so much scalpiana. It's just unbelievable. Like, literally, I don't know, it's just better than a scissor. I feel like scissors leave a little bit of lace, but like with this razor, it gets such a close cut. It is just bomb.com. So I did go ahead and hot comb my hair off camera and part it into a side part, but now we're gonna go ahead and just work on the edges. So with the edges, I did go ahead and flat iron it with a half an inch flat iron, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl it under. Okay, so because these are 4C edges, I do have to pass the flat iron twice on it. These edges are still gonna give you a little kink. They still curl up. However, this is just giving me a little bit more control over the edges. If I don't flat iron it, you basically should just wear the edges curly. But if you want to kind of have some type of tameness to it, yeah, flat iron it. Then I'm going to take my even lace spray and some mousse, and that's how we're going to get these edges to lay down. If you do not have even lace spray and mousse, these edges are really not going to lay. It's not going to lay just with mousse, and it also kind of doesn't lay just with the even lace spray. But I noticed the duo of these both products just helped me with the edges laying down, because girl, I did my edges like 20,000 times and they just kept curling up, which it was a cute look, but I wanted to show you guys how you can achieve it if you wanted it to lay down, you know? So yeah, I'm just going and just putting my edges into a nice swoop-a-doop look. Okay, very, very cute, very, very raw. All right, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and cover my edges with my lace band, and now we're going to define the curls on this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair, section it. So in this water bottle, I have a little bit of conditioner and water. Then I'm going to take my mousse. I'm going to put that all over the hair to define the curls some more. Then we're going to just go ahead and comb out the curls. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of my oil sheen and just spray that all over the hair, just so we can have a little bit of shine and luster. Then I'm going to take my diffuser that's on my blow dryer, and we are just going to diffuse these curls. This is just going to make my curls look very, very juicy, very, very like just curly and fluffy. I love a diffuser. Like, I wasn't using diffusers on my, look at my curls. Look at these curls, so defined. My hair was literally like 80% dry. I wasn't using a diffuser before, but since I started using them on my curly hair, this is how they look. This is how it comes out. It comes out so raw. It comes out so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. This is my makeup look. I didn't record a tutorial for YouTube. If you guys want one, I can. This is my summertime makeup look. I did do a TikTok on it. But yes, guys, this wig is so freaking cute. If you guys like big hair, kinky hair, definitely check my description box down below to purchase this unit. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.